Just a quick note on Perashat Vayigash. At the beginning of the Perashat, when Yehuda is talking to Yosef, the pasuk says, "Adoni sha'al et abadav lemor hayesh lachem ab or ah." Adoni sha'al, sir or Lord, you asked your servants lemor. What does it mean lemor? What does it mean lemor? So Adoni sha'al, I understand. Yehuda is telling Yosef, you asked us the question, Hayesh lachem av o ah. What does it mean, Adoni sha'al et abadav lemor, to say? What is the word lemor? How does it add? For example, it says, Vaydaber Adonai el Moshe lemor. So there it's because he's gonna, when Hashem speaks to Moshe Rabbeinu, it's lemor libnei Israel. So here when it says, Adoni sha'al et abadav lemor, no, he asked the question, you asked the question, and we replied, "Vanomer el Adoni." So it's a very subtle point, but it's important to understand the language of the Humash. So looking at the Ankelos, it says, "Riboni sha'el yat abdoi lememar." Our master, you Yosef, you Viceroy, sha'el, you asked us. Ha'it lechon abawa hana. It says sha'el. There's two potential spellings for the word, for the Aramaic word. Well, in Hebrew it's Adoni Sha'al. In Aramaic it's Riboni Sha'el. So it could have been, instead of Sha'el, it could have been She'el, Riboni She'el. Sha'el is different than She'el. And by the way, some of the versions of the Targum have She'el instead of Sha'el. What's the difference between She'el and Sha'el? So for example, if you go to Perashat Mikes, where Yaakov is complaining, why did you have to tell the viceroy of Egypt that you have a brother? Why did you have to offer that information? So the reply was, Vayomeru, Sha'ol sha'al ha'ish lanu bulmolatenu lemor. I get the word lemor. Sha'ol sha'al ha'ish lanu, he asked about us, he asked about our origins, ha'olah bichem hai, and so on. Here also the Targum says, Sha'ala sha'el. Okay, the word sha'el is the key. The word sha'el, if the word had been she'al or she'el, leboni she'al, or leboni she'el, if it was with a sheva under the sheen, it would mean this is the specific question that you asked us. But there was no specific question of this nature. Yosef never says, do you have a brother, do you have a brother in Canaan? Sha'el means you asked us a series of questions. So when a lawyer tries to catch the witness on the stand, so he asks a series of questions and he tries to trap the witness, right, to provide information, right? And then the witness ends up providing the information. Aha. So that's an aha moment. So when it says Riboni Sha'el as opposed to Riboni She'al, it means you asked us a series of questions, right? Lemor, and I understand the meaning of the word lemor. It was questions that led to that statement. Hayesh lachem avoah. So you asked a series, in legal parlance, it's called leading questions. You asked a series of leading questions, and that's why lemor, you led us to there. And that's exactly what the Ahim are telling Yaakov Avinu. Sha'ol sha'al ha'ish. So, okay? Sha'ol sha'al ha'ish lanu lemor. I'm just looking for the place. Right? Sha'ol sha'al ha'ish lanu molatenu lemor. So the answer they were telling their father, it was leading questions. He trapped us. And that's the key. So that's what we learn from the word lemor. And that's why the Targum, when he translated Shaol, he didn't use the more appropriate word for if he asked the right question would be she'al, but it was sha'el with the patah in the lamed, meaning it was questions, right?